A multifaceted artist, Sanat Basaiawmoit has made a turning revelation as to how he has turned the dark days of Covid-19 pandemic into the most part of his life. A passionate singer, actor, lyricist, dramatist persona, Basaiawmoit has turned the melancholic lockdown into creativity by singing, composing music and scribbling lyrics for films, to mention a few. Talking to Don Bosco Media Network, Basaiawmoit recollected how he was able to encourage others how to cope with COVID-19 situation and also how people should protect themselves from coronavirus infection by observing social distancing when his 10 minutes script was broadcasted by All India Radio Shillong. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Sanat Basaiawmoit wrote the lyric and also composed the music of the song Petre Nakaklam to pay tributes to the COVID-19 warriors. He said that during the lockdown, he saw the paradox of life, where people living in the city were having a relaxed time, and contrary to that, doctors, nurses and other health workers have been pressed into service, risking their lives in the fight against COVID-19. The song is an invocation to God to protect the people from being infected by the virus, including driving away the disease from the community. Basaiawmoit also recalled how, as an ethical artist, he took up the role of a protagonist in the Khasi film titled Jing Maham, meaning warning, to convey a special message on the plight of the farmers. Through this film, the actor wants to highlight as to how the farmers who have been toiling very hard to earn their living have been exploited by middlemen. The film, Basaiawmoit said, is to educate the masses that farmers should not be looked down, as urban and city people will all perish if farmers stop cultivation.
Before Christmas,
Basaiawmoit also informed that he was involved in writing lyrics and composing music for films whenever he was asked by the producers. The gusty winds and the chilly winters did not deter Basaiawmoit to be part of the panel of judges in the Meghalaya's Superstar and Meghalaya's Got Talent that has been organized over the years. The artist was also part of the first International Theatre Festival at Dhaka. This was the beginning of another creative journey for him. In this festival, he performed in one of the stage shows, which was well received by the audience.
That we have ever met. So, staying indoors, in fact, has enhanced my creativity more and more, and with lots of studies through internet and social medias, I've really learned a lot regarding how it started, what are the effects, what are the problems, what's next. So in the beginning, after learning a lot, I felt that I've started writing. Many things have come up in my mind to write more and more lyrics, to write songs, and to even write script. And in fact, I've got many scripts in case if I'm looking for a producer at the moment. If I get a producer, maybe in the future I'll be coming up with many good films in the Khasi film industry. So in the beginning, when I first saw, it was just one day they opened for the public to just go and buy their regular food in the shops. I've seen them rushing towards the shop, forgetting the social distancing and everything. It was a big rush, and in fact, since it was the beginning and I was having lots of knowledge regarding this protocol of COVID-19, so I just started writing a short script of 10 minutes for All India Radio regarding social distancing. And then at home I did everything, making use of my WhatsApp, internet, and I recorded through WhatsApp and did some little background music with the piano with the help of my son. And we got it done and we sent it to All India Radio because we cannot go out of the house. And then after that, I wrote many more lyrics regarding staying at home, regarding how to take care, how to protect ourselves, because if we protect ourselves, it means we protect others. That is the most important part. And then again later on, when when that has happened, I also discovered the stigma. So I wrote another play on stigmatization, so that public will understand. And in fact, to help, because we are here to help each other, we are living in this world, we have to be human and we have to help each other. That is very important through whatever means. So as an artist, in most whatever works I've been doing, it's all it's like a contribute towards a society, towards a state, towards a nation. And most of my lyrics also are educative, because talking about my previous film which I acted, the name of the film is Jing Maham. It's about the farmer's plight, a farmer's plight. As a protagonist, I wrote a lyric which the name of the song is Jhor Im Jhorja. It's about all types of vegetables, our khasi vegetables, our herbs, which the names are disappearing because most people they just go to the market and simply buy the common vegetables. But in fact, these vegetables that we always like to eat combined along with our food, they all starts with the word ja. Jamardo, Jatira, Jajo, Jamyo, Jango, Jathang, Jalanshir, Jaud, etc. etc. So they all start with Ja, and they are very high in antioxidants, and they have got they really contribute towards good health. So we like to combine and eat those vegetables. We sometimes eat raw. We eat along with our food, and yes, it's quite refreshing. So that's educative, in fact. So since it's a movie of the farmers, it's about a farmer, it's about his life, trying to do something organic, thinking about health, and he deals with the vegetables. So as part of the film, a film song, I wrote this song, Jhor Im Jhorja, so that people will know. And it's also connected with the farmers because, yes, it's about vegetables. So then after some time, I came up with the idea of writing another song when I've been seeing we are staying nicely inside our house. We are living a good life during the lockdown, a very relaxed life. But then suddenly I see that it's not everyone. The doctors, the nurses, these people who works with the emergencies, they are considered to be our heroes, our warriors, because they had to go forward during this time. They had to risk their life because we don't know. During that time, we really don't know. We just thought that it's a big risk for them, which is true. If a doctor had to treat a COVID patient, then there's a huge risk for him. and also the nurses and the ward boys and everyone who is involved in saving lives, and even the workers from different government sections, and from the municipal, where they had to go and sanitize everywhere. Then I came up with the thought that I think I should do something. I should write a song, a contribution towards them, because they are our heroes during the time. They are like our soldiers. Then I wrote this song, Het Re Nagaklam. So along with one of my friend, he helped me with the music. His name is Eugene Jarai, and I just gave him a call, and he was willing. And then I recorded the song. That was a bit later. I recorded the song, and I also did the video, and then inserting a little protocol of the government, washing of hands and wearing mask and protecting, and then various points, staying at home and this and that for the children. So I just did little. I just insert some protocols along in the song, as also a tribute to the COVID warriors.